by equating this equation to QD is equal to QS. That's what we learned from the demand and supply equilibrium equation. And plus, once we solve this equation, then we'll put the second part of the equation where we are going to be implementing a tax, an exercise tax, and we see what exactly happens. QS is equal to 5P plus 2. We look at the next equation and we equate QD in terms of P. So we get QD is equal to minus 2P plus 9. Equilibrium QS is equal to QD. Now you have 5P plus 2 is equal to minus 2P plus 9. And from there we are going to solve it for the value of P. To take minus 2P to the left hand side becomes 7P, and then 2 goes into the right, so it's 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 7P is equal to 7 or P is equal to 1. Now I've got the price as 1 of any currency, so we're putting it as 1. Now you're going to use that P equal to 1 and equate it as in the equation QS. Now you get 5 into 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 7. The quantity supplied is 7 at equilibrium. So at equilibrium we have the prices as 1 and quantity as 7. We'll go to this next part of the equation. The government now wants to introduce an excise tax. So you see cigarettes, for example, are heavily taxed in Singapore or in Europe. Here you are going to be putting a tax per unit. Whenever you're taking a tax per unit, you're always actually reducing the supplier's price. That's what, because it is at the production. Supplier price goes by P minus T. Equation, and we are going to be getting now the new equation. We have QS is equal to 5P plus 2, which is going to become 5 into P minus T plus 2. Now P minus T is the tax which you have so it's always the supply equation which I talked about. Whenever you're looking at implementing any tax, excise tax, it's always on the supply equation. So you put the supply equation, you open the supply equation. Now equate the supply equation to the demand equation. Now you have 5P minus 5T, 5P minus 5T plus 2 equal to, we'll put the demand equation which is equal to minus 2P plus Q. Solve for P. The left hand side you have 7P minus 5T is equal to 7, which is 9 minus 2 is 7. Now you can put here, now you have a T, you can put at T equal to 1. So if you put T equal to 1, you have 7P equal to, which will be 7 plus 5 equal to 12, or P is equal to 12 by 7. To be putting this price P into the equation, QD is equal to minus 9 is equal to minus 2 into, which is comes as 12 by 7 plus 9. So here you will get the quantity demanded equation.